Welcome to our video where you will learn about a natural alternative to Viagra. Let's get into it, shall we? Who says that men can only improve their sexual prowess using medication? Use the following at-home remedy to increase sexual function without prescription medication. Filled with natural aphrodisiacs, this homemade Viagra, when taken on a regular basis, will increase sexual potency naturally. Directions: cut a whole watermelon into small pieces. Blend in a blender until smooth. Put watermelon juice in a pot and boil for several minutes, adding the juice of 1 lemon after it's brought to a boil. Continue boiling until the amount is reduced to half. Let cool for 1 hour. Store in the refrigerator. Watermelon contains lycopene and citrulline. Both of these nutrients are aphrodisiacs and improve your sexual performance. When preparing to consume this mixture, be sure to limit your intake of sugars and salts, as they can reduce the effects. Consume any amount of this drink, starting from 2 tablespoons to 1/3 of a cup. This should be taken in the morning on an empty stomach or in the evening. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. For more amazing natural health remedies, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.